I'm doing
Go.
this. I don't trust you.
Come on, Luke.
I don't trust you. Okay, I can't hear a thing. Okay.
He's dead.
Shut up. I don't know what you said, but shut up. Dang. I hate you, depth perception. That wasn't,
Let me see this. Oh, okay, that fucking hurt.
Okay.
You wanna try this?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Ah!
Ah!
Oh, fuck!
Alright. They got warm.
They got warm. Okay. Jeremy, just make sure I'm not deaf. Say something complicated.
Ask my urban sniger.
I hear you all through this.
Hey, shut up.
Just shut up.
Who are you talking to
Show
yourself?
yourself.
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
Slap it!
Ah, my head.
Backfire.
Twinkle, twinkle, ABC. How I wonder if you are.
There's nothing in your head. All I heard was echoes. This shit doesn't work for me. Oh god.
Oh no.
Fuck.
Okay, let's get this.
Stop!
All right. Repeat after me. Jacob
Jacob.
is
John Jacob Jingleheimer-Schmidt.
His name
It's my name too. Whenever we go out, the people always shout, "There goes John Jacob Jingleheimer-Schmidt." Shut up!
Okay, Jeremy, how would you describe the experience?
Seals at a level 10! Who the hell had the audacity to say they were at a level 10? Give me a sledgehammer, I'll show you a level 10, Mr. Tummy 8.
Well, my God, I think it's time for me to leave.